Friction chapter, we are solving the numericals. The first question, the block is sliding on the surface with a deceleration of 0.4 meter per second square. What is the kinetic friction? The first question. Well, कैसे करेंगे इसको बताओ मुझे. We go for that. Yes. I will draw the free body diagram of this body, the block. The BD of the block. When we draw the free body diagram of the block, we have to show here all the forces which are acting on this. I'll show it here. First is its weight, W is equal to mg. Correct? W is equal to mg. And let us say the body is moving in this direction. Let us say this is the direction of motion. If this is the direction of motion, we say this is the direction of motion. So we say the friction is acting in the opposite direction. Well, first of all, there will be the reaction, normal reaction R. Okay, if motion is in that direction, then the frictional force is acting in this direction. We say, correct? No? This is the direction frictional force. F is equal to ma. बराबर है क्या? Sorry, frictional force, no? I'll simply say that F is equal to mu times the normal reaction, friction, frictional force. This is force of friction, no? Frictional force. F is equal to mu into R, but R is equal to mg, so this will become mu into mg. Correct? Isn't it? Now, if we say the acceleration is in this direction, because motion is in this direction and it is deceleration. Deceleration is the negative acceleration. So this is the direction of acceleration, negative acceleration. Right? So F is equal to ma. वो F जो होगा, decelerating motion है यहाँ पर. This is to be understood. Or you can view it in a different way. That this is the frictional force which is imparting the deceleration. Isn't it? This is the frictional force and this itself is equal to ma. Can I say so?
Yes.
Isn't it? This frictional force is imparting the necessary deceleration. Are you understanding that?
Yes.
आप उसको वैसा देखें या there is one more way of looking at it by this is the acceleration, तो acceleration के opposite direction में होगा F is equal to ma, तो भी ma is equal to यही आएगा. Are you understanding that? Isn't it? You look at it from any perspective. So I will simply say that mu mg is equal to ma. M gets cancelled. So what is the coefficient of kinetic friction there? Mu k is equal to acceleration का magnitude upon g.
Yes.
Acceleration का magnitude, because direction is already taken into account here. So what is the acceleration का magnitude? 4, and this is equal to 10. I would say 9.8. I call it as 10, and that is equal to 0.4. So the coefficient of kinetic friction is simply 0.4. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is this okay? Well, I'll repeat the question here. The block is on the inclined plane making an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. This block starts from rest and slides down this plane. And in the first 2 seconds, it covers 8 meters. We have to find out the coefficient of kinetic friction. Well, I'll first of all draw the free body diagram of this block on the inclined plane. Okay? This is the block, 30 degrees. W is equal to mg. Wait. Tell me what else. This will be the normal reaction. Normal reaction. R. Okay? This is the normal reaction. Can I resolve this weight perpendicular to the plane and in the direction of the plane?
Yes.
Okay. Now if this angle is 30 degree, then this angle is also 30 degree.
Yes.
And this is dash dash component and this is dash dash component. Tell me.
Cos theta.
Hmm?
Mg.
Okay, this is mg cos theta, which is actually equal to r, and this is mg sin theta. Isn't it? Well, is this okay? Now tell me in which direction? In which direction? Because the motion is taking place in which direction? This is the direction of motion. अगर ये है direction of motion, the frictional force is acting in the opposite direction. It will always oppose the motion. So this is acting in this direction, which is equal to mu k times the normal reaction.
Yes.
Okay, mu k times the normal reaction. Now equating, because this block is not going up or going in the plane, so r is equal to mg cos theta, क्योंकि ये फोर्स और ये फोर्स एक दूसरे को बैलेंस कर रहे हैं. So r is equal to mg cos 30. Whereas if I compare these two forces, so this force is more than this force. That is the reason why the block is going down. So what is the resultant force here? This minus this, ये वाला, बराबर है क्या? So what the resultant force in this downward direction, that is called as F, and that F is equal to ma. That F is equal to ma. This force is more than this force. कितने से ज़्यादा है वो? It is more by mg sin theta minus mu k times r. R बोले तो mg cos 30. And here let me say mg sin 30. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, and this is the resultant force, and that force is equal to ma. So can I find out now? Can I cancel mass throughout? Dividing
Yes.
throughout by mass. So what do you get there? What is the acceleration that you get there? This will become g 10 sin 30 half minus mu k. I have to calculate this mu k into g 10 cos 30 root 3 by 2. Is this okay? Now this is equation number 1. Let's look at it from a different perspective. It starts from the rest. So I'll use the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. So what is the displacement here? The displacement in this case is 8 meter. Initial velocity is 0.
0.
Half. Acceleration is can be found out, and time is 2 seconds. 2 का square. इसमें से एक 2 cancel हो जाएगा.
Yes.
So 8 is equal to 2a, and a is equal to 4 meter per second square. So what is the acceleration that we get there? 8. So can I substitute this a here to find out mu k here?
Yes.
So let me substitute. This will give me 4 is equal to 5 minus 5 root 3. Mu k times 5 root 3. You see? Mu k इधर आएगा. So mu k times 5 root 3 is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1, and therefore mu k is equal to 1 upon 5 root 3. Or if I rationalize this by root 3, this will become root 3 upon 15. Please check the answer. Now you can do this by calculator also. You can find it by calculator. 1 upon 5 root 3. If I perform this by calculator, 1 upon 5 root 3, 1 upon 5 root 3. If you perform this by calculator, that will give you 0.11. But they can give this as also as an option. Is this okay? Question number 5. What is it saying? Suppose the block of the previous problem is pushed downward the incline with a force of 4 Newton. This is pushed down with a force of 4 Newton. 4 Newton. How far will the block move in the first 2 seconds after starting from the rest? Mass of the block is 4 kg. Mass of the block is 4 kg. It is pushed down the inclined plane. Okay? Once again, let us draw the free body diagram of this block. But in addition to the previous forces, here is going to be the 4 Newton force as well. Okay, so this is the block. Okay. W is equal to mg. Mass is 4, isn't it? G. This is 30 degree. Now let me resolve this along the plane, and this will be the normal reaction. R. Let me resolve this perpendicular to the plane along the plane. So this angle is also theta. So which is cos?
Down.
So this is mg.
Cos theta.
mg cos 30, and this is mg
Sin theta.
sin 30. Anything else is left over there? Yes, it is.
Yes.
What?
Friction.
Friction. Now the motion is in the downward direction. If the motion is in the downward direction, the force of friction will always oppose this. So the force of friction is going to be in the opposite direction, like this. It's at the interface. So this is the force of friction F. Or F is equal to mu times Fr is equal to mu K into the normal reaction. But what is normal reaction is equal to? This force is equal to this force.
R is equal to
mg cos theta. So it will be mu K into mg cos 30, right? Isn't it? But in addition to this, there is one more force acting. That is that 4 Newton force. This 4 Newton force is also acting there.
Yes.
4 Newton force. So, in totality, what is the total effective force in the downward direction?
In the downward direction.
F effective in the downward direction is, ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे और ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. मतलब इट इज mg sin 30 या mg के जगह पर 4g लिखो. 4g sin 30 plus 4
is equal
minus
minus
mu k
UK mg
4g
4g
cos 30. This is the effective force, and this F is equal to ma. This F is equal to ma. बराबर है क्या? Are they asking the coefficient of friction or what? What will, how far the block will go? Okay.
Yes.
So in this case we have to take this point 1. G के जगह पर मुझे sorry mu के जगह पर मुझे point 1 लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर, because it's the same block. So in this case, this mu k का value will be taken what we calculated in the previous problem, that is 0.11. Is that understood?
Okay.
And this F is equal to ma.
Yes.
This is the resultant force. F is equal to ma.
Right.
M बोले तो 4.
Hmm.
So can I divide throughout by 4?
Okay.
Divide throughout by 4. 4 तो cancel हो जाएगा. ये 4, 4, 4, 4. Is this okay?
Hmm.
Take G is equal to 10. Take G is equal to 10. So this will become 10
10 half.
into half plus 1 minus 0.11 into 10 into root 3 by 2
Hmm.
is equal to acceleration. So this will give me the acceleration.
Right.
Right? Now this is 2 5
Five.
This will become 2 5 again. So this is 5 plus 1 6 minus 11 5 are 55. So this is 0.55 into root 3 by 2 is equal to 8. By 2 is 8.
Right.
Now this is equal to 1.732.
Alright. Okay.
Okay? So let me calculate this multiplication. Can see.
Let's see.
So A is equal to कितना आएगा 6 minus, I can do this 1.732 into 55, लेकिन तुम करके मुझे बता दो प्लीज फटाफट. Make it fast.
Point
0.95. So 6 minus 0.95. That is equal to 5.05 acceleration meter per second square. Check that please. Now taking this as the acceleration, we have to find out what is the distance traveled. Okay? So S is equal to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity is 0, so this is gone. So S is equal to 0 plus half. Acceleration is 5.05 into t square, 4, 2 ka square, 2 to the 4. and therefore the displacement is 10.1 meter in the first
10
2 seconds. Check that please.
10 meter.
I'll read the question.
Hmm.
A body of mass 2 kg. A body of mass 2 kg is lying on the rough inclined plane of inclination 30 degree. Find the magnitude of the force parallel to the incline needed to make the block move up A part and down B part. The coefficient of static friction is 0.2. Now let us draw the free body diagram here.
Okay.
You tell me. Help me in drawing the free body diagram. Come on. Tell me all the forces acting here. Bolo.
Wait.
This is the weight. उस weight का क्या करें? W is equal to mg 2g. There will be the normal reaction, which is normal, that is perpendicular to the supporting, that is inclined surface, like this. So this is the normal reaction. Let me resolve the weight perpendicular to the plane and parallel to the plane. Perpendicular. Now, if this angle is theta,
That is
this is theta. So this will be dash dash component and this is dash dash
cos
component.
theta sin.
So this is mg cos 30 and this is mg sin 30. सामने वाला sin component. In addition to that, now we want the block to move up. We want the block to move up. So this is the force applied, F, and this F is asked here. So the tendency of the motion is in the upward direction. This is the tendency of the motion, correct?
Yes.
If the tendency of motion is in the upward direction, what is the direction of the friction? The friction is going to act in the opposite direction. So this is the force of friction. And this force of friction, let me call this as Fr or simply F, is equal to mu S times the normal reaction. Now this is equal to the normal reaction. R. What is R is equal to?
mg
Mg cos 30. So let me substitute here mu S mg cos 30. Right now?
Right.
Isn't it? So now, in the impending motion, now when it is on the verge of moving, when it is just about to move, we don't want to move it, we want to reach that force where it will start moving. So in that case, this force will be equal to these two. Yes or no?
Which
These two are acting in the downward direction,
right.
and this force has to overcome these two forces. Correct, na? So what shall I say here? F is equal to
F
what?
is equal to mg sin theta
Sin
plus
30.
sin 30 sorry, plus
US
us
mg
cos
cos 30. Isn't it? Let me substitute simply. So F is equal to m is 2. Can I take mg common? Yes. mg is taken common. This is sin 30 plus mu s. Mu s बोले तो 0.2. 0.2 times cos 30. Let us substitute the values here. M is 2, G is 10, and sin 30 is half plus 2.2 into root 3 by 2. So this by 2 by 2 by 2. So this will become 10. 1 plus root 3 is 1.732. 1.732. उसका डबल हो जाएगा 3.464 और एक डिजिट इधर. So 0.3464. So this is 10 into 1.34 दो डिजिट का, so it will be 13.464 like this. So this is the force required in the first case. Please check. This is clear.
Okay.
This is to move it up. The force required will be 13.64. Check if it is clear. When we want to move it down, let us draw the free body diagram once again. क्या आएगा बताओ? This is the block. Yes. 30 degree.
Normal reaction.
Weight W is equal to mg is equal to 2g. Normal reaction will be normal, that is perpendicular to the supporting surface R. Let us resolve this weight along this and perpendicular to the inclined plane. If this is theta, this is also theta,
Theta.
and this is cos component mg
G
cos
cos
30,
theta.
and this is mg sin 30. Okay, and in addition to that, there is a force which is here applied over here. This force. Okay. Now the tendency of the motion is in the downward direction. So the force of friction is going to oppose this, and will be acting in the opposite direction, like this. So this is the force of friction. Fr is equal to mu s into normal reaction. But normal reaction is equal to this. So that is equal to mu s into mg. Come on, speak out. Cos 30. Isn't it?
Yes.
Now downward force is equal to upward force.
So US
Now tell me, downward forces, this plus this is equal to this. बोलो क्या आएगा?
mg sin 30
mg sin 30
plus f
plus
f
f
is equal to US
mg cos 30. Right? Now I have to calculate f here, so I'll transfer it on the other side. So what is f is equal to? ट्रांसफर करते करते मैं mg को कॉमन ले लेता हूँ, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर आएगा mu s cos 30 माइनस sin 30. समझे? Now that is f is equal to what is m मास कितना है 2, g is 10,
10
mu s is 0.2, and this is root 3 by 2 half. So take 2 common and 2 cancel. This is again 1.732 multiply by 2, that is so this will become 10 into it will be 0.34 something like that, है ना? कितना आएगा ये? So this will be
0.34
0.34 minus 1. What does this mean?
in the opposite direction.
सी इसका मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पर अगर मैं इसको, यहाँ पर माइनस आंसर आ रहा है. माइनस मतलब यू डोंट हैव टू अप्लाई एनी फोर्स. Zero force is required because the interpretation, because 1.34 minus 1 will giving f is equal to negative में आंसर आ रहा है मेरा. How do you interpret this result? इसका interpretation ये होगा, इसका interpretation ये होगा. Forget about this f. But if I compare this green वाला force and red वाला force, this green वाला force is what? mg sin 30. कितना आता है वो mg sin 30? कैलकुलेट करो. m 2 g
10
sin 30. So total downward acting force कितना है? 10 न्यूटन. अब upward acting friction कितना है कैलकुलेट करते हैं. mu s 0.2, m 2, g 10, and this is root 3 by 2. Correct na?
Yes.
2 cancel. Now this is nothing but 10 into root 3 is 1.732 into 2, that is 0.34. इसका मतलब है 3.4 न्यूटन. So friction, maximum possible friction कितना है? 3.4 न्यूटन. Whereas the weight का component कितना है? 10 न्यूटन. So the weight itself is sufficient to carry this down. This weight is itself more,
Yes.
isn't it? This weight itself is more as compared to the force of friction provided there, and therefore no force is required there to move it down. It will move down on its own.
Because it's a weight.
Is that clear? So to move it down, no force is required. Remember. So it is falling down. I will ask a further question. How much force is required to stop the block from falling down? If I redefine the question, because downward acting force is more, कितना? 10. Upward acting friction is 3.4. So what is the extra force there? 10 minus 3.4.
Yeah, 10 minus 3.
मतलब कितना आएगा ये? 6.6.
6.6.
So what is the force required
6.6.
to support it at its place? 6.6 Newton. If we redefine the question, is this clear? क्योंकि ब्लॉक गिर रहा है और उसको नीचे गिरने से रोकने के लिए अपने को इतना फोर्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. इज दैट अंडरस्टूड? ओके. Read the question again. A body starts slipping down an incline and moves half meter in the half second. Half meter in half second. Okay. How much will it take to move? How long will it take to move the next half meter? P dash is equal to this. S dash is another half meter. समझे ना? Let us draw the free body diagram of this body. So this is the body. Weight W is equal to mg. There will be the normal reaction. थोड़ा बताओ फटाफट. Resolve this weight. Resolution will be like this and like this.
mg cos 30 theta
mg cos theta,
sin theta.
mg sin theta. The body is moving in the downward direction. This is the direction of motion, isn't it? So the force of friction will be acting in the opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
So this will become mu normal reaction. Now this is mu times what is R is equal to mg cos theta. Correct?
Yes.
R is equal to mg cos theta. This is what we get there, isn't it?
Yes.
So from this free body diagram, what is the total force, the total or net force acting in the downward direction? क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा होगा और ये कम होगा, इसलिए बॉडी नीचे जा रहा है.
Right.
So F effective in the direct F effective is equal to mg sin theta
Sin theta.
minus mu mg cos theta, and that F effective is equal to ma.
Yes.
या तो हम बोल सकते हैं दोनों में ये जीत रहा है एंड दिस F is equal to ma. ऐसा बोलो.
So
दोनों में कौन जीत? Anyways,
yes.
हाँ. तो m gets cancelled here.
Can cancel.
It is not dependent on mass actually.
Okay.
So I will calculate what is this acceleration. Acceleration is equal to g common sin theta
Sin theta.
minus mu cos theta. This is the acceleration. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Sin theta minus mu cos theta. Now we will consider its stage. Let us say the body starts moving from this point. This is point A to point B to point C. Okay? यहाँ से वो ऐसे जाएगा समझो. तो यहाँ से वो निकलता है तो u is equal to 0.
Okay.
और यहाँ से इधर तक जब आता है, isn't it?
Yes.
So I will say during this motion displacement S1 बोलूँगा इसको मैं. यहाँ से यहाँ का डिस्प्लेसमेंट S1,
This one.
उसके लिए टाइम लगेगा T1, और यहाँ से यहाँ का डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा S2, उसके लिए टाइम T2. Do you understand that?
Yes.
हाँ?
हाँ.
Okay. So I will say from its motion from A to B, S is equal to ut plus half at square. It starts from rest. A body starts moving. They say a body starts मतलब initial velocity is 0. Now what is the displacement here for the first part? Half meter
Half meter.
is equal to
0
0 plus half into acceleration into half square.
Yes. So 1 by 4.
So this gets cancelled here now. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square. Is this okay? Acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square. Isn't it?
Yes.
Any doubts about that?
No.
And similarly, I can find out what is its velocity at that point. अब यहाँ पर जब वो आता है तो उसका velocity कितना हम find out कर सकते हैं. V is equal to u plus at. So what is the velocity at B? Vt. Initial velocity 0.
0.
Acceleration 4. And time there half second. Okay.
Yes.
So 2 2s are. So what is the velocity at B?
2 meters.
2 meter per second. Now I'll consider its motion from B to C. Now I'll consider its motion from
B to C.
B to C. B to C का जो motion consider कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ का S is equal to ut प्लस हाफ AT स्क्वायर, बराबर है। अब B to C भी वो हाफ मीटर ही है, बराबर है, एंड इट्स इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 2 मीटर हियर, बराबर है।
Yes.
2 प्लस 2 इंटू टी, टी पता नहीं है मुझे, वही तो फाइंड आउट करना है, टी डैश बोला है जिसको आपने,
Okay.
है ना,
हाँ.
दिस इज टी डैश, T2 बोलो या टी डैश बोलो जो भी हो, प्लस हाफ एक्सेलरेशन इज अगेन 4 इंटू टी डैश का स्क्वायर, 2 2 जा 4, बराबर है क्या,
Yes.
multiply throughout by 2 so that this 2 gets cancelled, so 1 is equal to 2 to the 4 t dash plus 2 to the 4 t dash का square, correct, so 4 t dash का square plus 4 t minus 1 is equal to 0, isn't it? Now can we solve this by calculator 4 t dash plus 4 t, can I find it out like this, 4 1s are 4, no, कैलसी क्या आएगा ये, therefore t dash is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, you know, so that is equal to क्या आएगा, minus b minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square 16 minus 4a is 4, c is minus 1 upon 2a, 2 into 4. Now that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 4 the 16 16 32, 32 का स्क्वायर रूट मतलब 4 रूट 2 अपॉन 2 into 4, तो 4 कॉमन 4 कैंसिल, 4 कॉमन 4 कैंसिल, सो टी डैश इज गोइंग टू बी, बोलो क्या आएगा, माइनस 1 प्लस और माइनस रूट 2 अपॉन 2, now root 2 का वैल्यू इज 1.414 and time is always positive, so I'll have to take here positive number because time can never be negative, so t dash is equal to plus value of this 1.414 minus 1 is 0.414 upon 2 is 0.207 seconds, so for the next half meter it will take 0.207 seconds, please check.